Now we are going to see live SQL injection. So see this. This is a website wurtv.wur.nl. I will spider this website. So I already spider. You have to spider this website. See this? I already spider. Why we have to spider? Because we have to get some parameters. I got lots of parameter. These many parameters you have to test for SQL injection. So see, let's turn the first link. Right click, send this to repeater. So there are how many parameters? There are this action parameter, date time parameter, end date parameter, filter status. So I'll try first the post parameter, then I will try on get parameter. So see this, let's click on go normally first. I got response. This is a response. Okay, now there's a first parameter is group key. If I'm giving here a backslash, see what happened. You are getting something, yes, the backslash is giving lots of thing, yes, the error thing, yes. Okay, now instead of backslash just give single quote to check it's vulnerable or not. So when I gave backslash single quote, I got something. See this, incorrect SQL syntax error near whatever question mark after the character string. So this is vulnerable. This is a SQL syntax. Now try to fix this. So if I'm trying single quote space and space, let's give something a equal to a. Let's try this now. So see, it's fixing. Yes, we have fixed now correctly. Now you have two options. Either you try manually or either you try automation. Both acceptable. Okay. So if I'm trying out through automation, see this. Instead of single quote, I have just give a star there. Star means SQL map will identify the parameter through star value. I'll copy this, copy to file. I will save this into SQL map folder. Okay, I'll save like as a wur.txt. Okay, now the first command will be what? See, there's a wur.txt. See this? So I have to load this request into SQL map. For this I will use Python SQL map.py because this is a post based. -r and the file name wur.txt space -- badge -- banner. Just wait. So I got this. There is a error based SQL injections, and the banner, we successfully grabbed the banner that they are using Microsoft SQL Server. If you want database, you can give --dbs. See, you got database details, all the database. You can even go into any. Let's go in this database. You get -D, the first one, BEHEER tool space -- tables. Okay, so we are not getting any tables, so no problem. Okay, try on any other. If you are trying for master or MSD, let's -D MSDB space -- tables. See this, you are getting tables detail, that backup file, oh my god, restore file. So I'm not going further. Okay, this will be the breach. Okay, so I'm just leaving log. Okay, so I'm going to report this right now, so you won't misuse this vulnerability. So what I will do, I'll make report format, that is vulnerability name is what? Cross site scripting. Sorry, not cross site scripting, it's a SQL injection. Now vulnerability description. I will use what you can use. You can. I will copy from Google. Okay, no problem. Vulnerable URL. The vulnerable URL. Okay, let's copy from the Bob suite. Right click, copy URL. Now, vulnerable parameter. So vulnerable parameter is what? Uh, this. So advanced search. Okay, it's a group key. Okay, so I'll give group key. JSON parameter group key. Now, payload, you can use single quote to identify the vulnerability. Now, how to reproduce this vulnerability? This is a very good section. You have to make these sections. How to reproduce this vulnerability? One, see this now. One, see, I can do one thing. For a hyphen dbs hyphen capital V and 5 I will do. Okay, small v5. Okay, so yes, so on group key someone tried this and you got what? Pop-up. So someone tried what? This. On group key someone tried this now, so I will use same thing. There. So if you are trying this, what will happen? Let's click on copy this now. See this. If I'm trying this here, let's click on go. What you are getting? You are getting something there. The subject era parameters null start in db. This is a vulnerable. Okay, the conversion failed when converting into varchar. See this now. You have to give exact steps where they can enumerate these. So let's use this now. If you are doing hyphen tables hyphen v3, see, so this way you are getting tables and other things. Okay, yeah, hell, lots of tables. So if you are trying this now, let's copy this now. So see this, if someone will try this, let's copy this now, this payload. Oh man, if so, if I will copy this, let's copy this. If you will try there, what will happen? See, you are getting the database name of Behar tool. So I will just say that do one thing. Yes, so I'll say how to reproduce this vulnerability. For this, set JSON parameter group key to what? This, what we have copied this. Yes, to this. It will give you database name, and the database name may be what? This. that is this. So you have to give the steps so they can reproduce this, okay? Otherwise it won't confirm otherwise they will reject this vulnerability. So now third steps is, okay, the POC. What's the proof of concept? So I'll give a request body. In the case of SQL injections, I'll give request body. So request body is this, and response body, okay, that screenshots enclosed in attachment. I can say yes, yes, see this, and yes, now see this. So I will take a screenshot of this vulnerability. So I will highlight this, okay, and as well as I will highlight this, okay. Now shift control 4, so I'm taking a screenshot, okay, done. Yes, as well as I will take a screenshot of the database list. So shift control 4, so see this, I run this and I got the database. That's it, so it's a complete report now, okay. So now I will report this to where? It's a cert vulnerability. So let's go to Gmail. I'll use this Gmail now. I'll send this mail to cert, and it's a cert@ncsc regarding critical vulnerability report hashtag. So I'm using the numbers for reporting. So I reported 135 number, 136, yes, 136. So this time I will report 137, and just I will paste this report. Now this is a screenshots I have to attach. Yes, I think it's done now. Let's click on send. So this way you have to report, you have to hunt. So I hope it's clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session over Slack or over Udemy. Thank you.